Hi, excuse me.
Paul Simon.
I recognize it. Good job today. Now, Mark encountered an interesting situation. Mark, why don't you tell them about it?
Oh, well, this was a little crazy. At the beginning of my day, I was assessing my patient's respiratory status, including her oxygen saturation. Now, she was receiving oxygen by nasal cannula at 2 liters per minute, and she felt fine. No shortness of breath, no other problems, and my assessment didn't reveal any acute distresses.
So, is there a problem in this?
Right.
Okay, here it is. The pulse oximeter read a low saturation level of 88% with irregular meter pulsations.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, Melissa, what should you do?
Well, I'd evaluate all current data to determine if the patient is in distress.
But she didn't appear to be short of breath or in distress.
No.
Okay, then check all the connections to the pulse oximeter and make sure the patient held the sensor still.
What else?
Maybe try a different site for the oximeter?
Good. But what did you do, Mark?
Well, I checked the oxygen system, the flow meter, the tubing, the connections for patency, and then I used the earlobe sensor.
And then what?
Okay, well, remember I said there were irregular meter pulsations, right? Well, the patient has peripheral vascular disease, which I didn't take into consideration. So the circulation in her hands is compromised. So once I used the earlobe sensor, the reading was 96% on her oxygen, which was right in line with my original assessment.
That's it. Very good. However, if no problems are noted and the oximeter is working correctly, you would check her vital signs, then reassess her respiratory status, and notify her primary care provider of your findings. Well done. Now, I know we had a quick review about suctioning earlier, and I wanted to talk to you about what to do if something goes wrong. Anna did really well today, but what if she was suctioning her patient and she noticed that the secretions that were coming out, which had been yellow or tan, were now blood-tinged? What should you do in this situation?
Well, wouldn't you stop suctioning?
Yes.
And replace her oxygen supply?
I would probably assess her respiratory status, take her vitals, and look for any other symptoms or complaints.
You're all right. And of course, you should notify her primary care provider. Everyone good? Anything else?
Nope, I'm good.
Thank you, Mark. Now, is everyone else okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Well done today. That's it. Get out of here. Go have fun.
All right.
Which means my couch and a movie.
I need pajamas and ice cream. Stat.
Which doesn't mean anything.
Listen here, e pluribus unum. I'm not just taking your word on that.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?